Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the peony by round brush. I will paint with the gouache paints. You can use acrylic paint or tempera paint. First we need to add the colors on the palette. I take the violet color, dark violet color, and add it on the palette. Add some water to make it more liquid. Now I will take the other color, the purple. It's lighter than this one, and we do the same. We add the colors, the color on the palette, and now we need the white color. So let's start to paint. I load up all my brush number 11, round brush number 11, load up all the brush with the dark violet color, and we will paint, sketch all the flower. We will paint the circle, and now we will paint some petals. For our peony. You can paint it bigger. Now I will take some light color like this. Well, I think we need to make a little bit lighter this color. That's why I will take a little bit white and blend it. So let's take a little bit this new color and we will paint the stroke here. It will be the background petals. You see, it's very easy. And now we will wash our brush. And we will load up all the brush with this light purple color. And now let's take a little bit white color like this. the strokes here. Step back a little and paint the same strokes. You can make the petal, paint 2 strokes and strokes inside 1, 2 and inside. You see, I didn't load up the light purple color. I take the white, only the white color. And now we can paint here. I load up all my brush with the purple and I will paint the big petals for our peony. And I load up the white color on my brush. Let's paint. Load up the white, paint here. I load up all my brush with the purple again and take the white. Load up the purple and take the white. We can correct a little bit here. We can take the smaller brush, for example number 3, load up all the brush with the purple color and take a little bit white. Purple and a little bit white. We can paint small petals here. Like this. And like this. And a little bit here, we need more white color. outline some petals. So now we can paint some leaves for our flower. I will take the blue and we take this color and add it on a palette. We will paint this. I take the round brush number 11, load up all the brush with this color, and let's paint. We need a little bit more water. Maybe the small leaf here. Let's wash our brush. Take the small brush number 3. It's a round brush too. I take the blue color again. Load up all the brush with this blue color. And now we will take a little bit white, paint the stroke in the center. And here. And the last one. And a little bit here. Let's take the yellow color and paint small dots here. Here is our flower. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.